You would not have the Jay-Z's, the Nas, the Fat Joes without the Kool Hercs, the Cold Crush Brothers, Grandmaster Flash, and the Furious Five. This is where hip-hop began, in the Bronx.
Said G, hold your bag. It's all about the faction with the Black Prophets. Goes like this, check it, check it.
I say what is rap and you're pointing to a gun. When I say what is hip-hop, then most of y'all front. The truth of the matter is the picture that's been painted around the real culture that should be separated. Far from the media, back to the block. You know that is crazy when some turn pop. Axe Kool Herc, yeah, that from Jamaica, from the Caribbean to the East Coast America. He came with a speaker, dropped the maddest beats, then went crazy, can't control their feet. The dancers formulated, the breakdance was new. The pioneers of that with the rock steady crew. But as the tables turned and the DJs played the track, some dudes grabbed the mic, started talking, that was rap. He soon became an art, and to do that was tricky. Cause from the train yards came the kings of graffiti. Herc kinda noticed that the kids love the breaks, cause the breakers used to dance while some other cats shake. He got 2 decks to extend the point. When the brother kept it going, that was known as the